Boycott Beijing! Rich mountain, so I think it is good to use that to.
You're doing it this way.
होटल ताज में इस जगह पे यहाँ पे
Don't want you to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it.
Action camp, I learned about leadership. I learned about the preparation that goes into organizing a protest. They provided me with skills and tools that I can actually use in my activist work in the future. So I highly recommend anyone interested or fighting for Tibetan cause. You actually come to these workshops. These workshops are very activity based, so you are able to apply what you learn on a daily basis. You meet amazing people, you talk about amazing things, and it fills you with hope and motivation.
Boycott! 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 Boycott!
Save Tibet! Boycott Beijing Olympics! Save Tibet! Stand for human rights!
Or leave it. Washed up, don't want you to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want you to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Oh, baby, you're always on my mind. I've been thinking that we should be together. Oh, baby, you were always. Oh, baby, you were always.
It was such an incredible week-long action camp by SFT, and this is not only about the participation, from learning experience, making friends from different kind of states, and I really recommend for upcoming, especially the Tibetan youth. They taught us freedom movement, and all the struggle is not only a choice but a responsibility.
Left behind. Others are like moving forward. So what I think is like what I think is you were saying this is I think there's something missing, right? These are is it like Tibetan chubades or what? Yep. But then like say but then like I get it, but you know you had put 6 people.
You take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want you believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. You take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Oh, baby, you're always on my mind. I've been thinking that we should be together.
Being a participant in this action camp for a week taught me a lot of stuff, such as how to organize a productive Tajik movement and how to plan a campaign. And additionally, it provides us a platform to connect with others. So I suggest to those upcoming participants to take active role in every sessions to enrich your mind and soul for the freedom struggle.
Washed up, don't want you believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it.
I'd like to thank SFT for the opportunity to come to this action camp. It's been amazing to meet all the great organizers, participants. The activities were interactive. They made me think, they made me laugh, and sometimes they made me cry. The actions we performed in the end showed how much we had learned throughout the process and how many great tools that I had
만주왕생 돕기 왜 닌